Welcome to the official Automedics channel. Our Rest to Life video series continues. If you haven't watched part 1, you can find the link in the description below. In this video, we're focusing on the structural parts of the vehicle. Thorough cleaning is essential to remove rust and debris. After completing the necessary rust refurbishment, we carefully cleanse the parts using specialized cleaning materials. Finally, we apply an internal structure anti-rust treatment to protect and preserve the vehicle. Stay tuned for our next video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.